In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively insert text into a shape using Adobe Illustrator. This technique can be incredibly useful for creating unique designs, logos, or any creative project where the text needs to fit seamlessly within a specific shape. Let's dive into the process, one step at a time. First, you'll want to start by drawing the shape you have in mind. Whether it's a circle, rectangle, star, or a custom path you've crafted, make sure it's closed, as open paths won't hold the text correctly. You can use the shape tools located in the toolbar to help create these geometric forms, or draw a freeform path if you have something more unique in mind. Once your shape is ready to go, the next step is selecting the Area Type tool. Head over to the toolbar and click on the Type tool. Hold it down for a moment, and you'll see a flyout menu appear. From there, look for and select the Area Type tool. If you're having trouble locating it, you might need to switch your view to the Advanced toolbar. You can do this by navigating to the top menu and choosing Window, then Toolbars, and finally, Advanced. With the Area Type tool selected, you're ready to turn your shape into a text container. Rather than clicking in the center of the shape, you need to click directly on the path, the outline of the shape. By doing so, Adobe Illustrator recognizes this path as the boundary of your new text frame. This action prompts the appearance of placeholder text within the confines of your shape, signaling that your text area is now ready. Now, it's time to get creative with your words. Simply type or paste your text into the shape. You'll notice how the text automatically adjusts to fit within the shape's boundaries. This feature is particularly handy for ensuring your content maintains the intended structure. Keep an eye out for a small red square with a plus sign in the bottom right corner. This indicates that your text is overflowing the allotted space. To customize your text, you can take advantage of the character and paragraph panels, adjusting elements such as font style, size, and alignment to better fit your design vision. If your text content is too close to the edges and you want to give it a little breathing room, you can tweak these settings. Select the text container, go up to the Type menu, choose Area Type options, and set the inset spacing value. This allows you to add a margin between the text and the edges of your shape. Additionally, should you want to organize your text into columns or rows for a more complex layout, the Area Type Options dialog provides those settings as well. Implementing these features can greatly enhance the visual appeal and readability of your text within the shape. And there you have it, a straightforward method to fill any shape with text in Adobe Illustrator. With these steps, you're well equipped to add professional and creative text frames to your designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!